el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Llegan a Astorga, el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Van para Santiago, por el camino de Santiago, va el de Australia.
In no great hurry to leave Logroño, we grab breakfast and haircuts, and then make a short day of it, going first past a reservoir and then into a park where we have a picnic with some fellow pilgrims, and we are at first charmed and later slightly terrorised by the locals.
I don't want it to.
Yeah, he's getting a bit cheeky.
Can you tip us?
He can smell the cheese.
Not much. Not having that. Not having that.
No.
We've only walked for 13 kilometres when we decide to stop for the night. A volunteer at the Albergue shares with us some interesting stories about the town. The bodies of fallen pilgrims from bygone days were found buried here with scallop shells in their mouths. The scallop shells, the symbol of the Camino, and they were buried this way so that St. Peter would recognise them as pilgrims. When it's dinner time, we get the chance to catch up with other pilgrims. Some we've already met and some who are new friends. And tonight we get to meet a four-legged pilgrim.
Day 11 feels like new territory. Clouds have cleared and the sky is just full of jet streams, high-flying storks and birds of prey.
And in case you're sick of the sight of the back of me, our brave cameraman finally makes an appearance.
The Camino is becoming more and more communal. We trade stories and advice on walking ailments.
We hit our first hot weather and wash our feet in the river.
The picnic game is strong with this one.
But we get so excited by hummus that we forget to go to the ATM. We get into a Zofra, and after paying for accommodation, we're left with 11 euros and some chocolate and no bank for at least 20 kilometres. Somehow we get by, cooking a feast of pasta and trading some chocolate for some red wine. We even have enough cash for breakfast.
They were huge croissants.
This place has every sign of habitation, but no signs of human life. It's possible that the apocalypse has begun, but we are ready.
And somewhere around here, we pass our 200-kilometre mark. It was really hot walking this afternoon, and Kath made a new farmer friend.
I was very grateful. And I loved this bar that welcomed us to Grañón. He made great lemonade and gave really pilgrim-friendly service. Nice guy. This is an iconic and memorable albergue attached to the local church,
It was built circa very old.
where we joined to prepare the communal meal and finish the night with some French singing and a cacophony of snores once more. Everyone spoke Spanish like that lady.